But for STEM learning ecosystems, after-school programs would have fewer opportunities to really engage in STEM learning.
We wouldn't be able to do as much as we're able to do in rural, challenging demographic areas if we didn't have that collaboration.
But for the Vistas, there would be less opportunities for these partnerships and for STEM learning to occur within the ecosystems.
But for the STEM learning ecosystems, we'd all be going our own separate ways, developing pockets of excellence in STEM, but never doing enough to bring those entities together to solve the major problems of our day.
What we're doing is bringing some of the success stories to them, and then we're turning and allowing each of them to use the resources of the room and the resources of our nation and the reports that are out there to begin to design their own workforce initiative.
Because of STEM ecosystems, there's this opportunity to connect with colleagues around the nation around challenges and opportunities that we have.
We are training teachers across the region about the shift in science standards and what that teaching needs to be in the classroom so that students are engaged in the scientific process.
I've been really impressed with what I've seen over the last day and a half, just all these different members of these STEM ecosystem communities in education, on the employer side, even connecting to the policymaker side. You know, there's real grassroots momentum.
It's very important that ecosystems consider what it takes to go from the beginning to a job. Often I think we don't think about that, and it's critical that ecosystems do.
I mean, it's really important that every kid has this staying in STEM, because if we wouldn't have that, we wouldn't have our future mathematicians, engineers, technologists, or like people who want to be scientists as well.
Because of the STEM ecosystem, I feel more empowered and I feel like I can actually make a difference in this world.
We are creating a new architecture for how people learn, how systems operate, and how workforces are created. We are creating a new paradigm in an information age, post-industrial, that our systems today have not been capable of being able to adapt to, so that we can truly flourish as a society.
To know that ecosystems are all over the country facing similar challenges, being able to learn from them, being able to replicate some of the things that they're doing, it's been really important to us to know that we're in this together.
Because of STEM ecosystems, we are the global cabinet science officers.
We really badly need leaders in the community, like the lead STEM leaders, who can serve as a voice for why STEM is important and relevant for our future as a nation and the world.